Got a 2009 Ford Flex here. This thing is stumbling under acceleration. Feels like a driveline vibration. I know I've seen a lot of people having problems with this online, so I thought I'd make a short video about it. Like I said, when you drive this car, it runs good. When you hammer into it and give it a lot of gas, it feels like a driveline vibration, like an axle. But it's not. The engine's actually misfiring. It's not showing any codes while it's doing this. But come over here, pull the spark plugs out. You guys can see how worn they are compared to some brand new ones. Now, I'll tell you right now, don't waste your time putting NGK or anything else in a Ford. Just get the Motorcraft spark plugs, do it right. These other ones lasted over 120,000 miles, and these new ones will last that long as well. I'm also going to replace the boots. I got standard brand boots, but not as critical. But sometimes I don't replace them. I'm only replacing them because they tore up on the way out. But just thought I'd tell you guys what I found. Thank y'all. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Thank you.